What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you from YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and for watching it. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. On this channel, we talk about making money online. We talk about ways to generate income that will help you and your family live the life you want to live. For many people, that is through a job and be able to use that 9 to 5 hustle to fund building your own business. We believe in building businesses over here, but we understand that many people start from jobs and start from entry-level stuff. And with that said, we're going to be review a lead from Yodo1 Games. We've featured them once before on this channel, and they have opened up another opportunity for anyone who's interested in video games. Okay, so before we go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. All right, if you want to make money online. If not, it's fine. You can go ahead and not do any of those things. But for this video, we're going to be looking at Yodo1 Games. Now, pressing the chain link indicator icon on your screen that I just pressed will take you to the web page. Okay, now maximize game revenue. MAS is the world's highest performing game monetization platform. Grow revenue, get paid quickly, and focus on what you love, making great games. Okay, so you can actually create games and use MAS to promote and grow your video game. Okay, so a lot of entities have used them to get things going and to scale things. Okay, Kitchen Tail has used their services, Simplebit Studio has, and a host of other companies. All right, now the lead. You will be a customer support representative for global publishing. So right now we are hiring an English-speaking customer support rep to help us support and take care of our players. Now, the opportunities that exist are as follows. Joining the Yodo1 team will give you opportunities to learn and grow by working closely with leaders and experts in game publishing and production, and expanding your customer service skills by catering to a global market. All right. Now, the responsibilities you'll have as you start this role. You'll handle all incoming customer inquiries and concerns. You'll gather and escalate player feedback and issues, and then you should be able to prioritize support issues while maintaining high customer satisfaction. In order to qualify for this role, you should have 3+ years proven experience in customer service and support with good written and verbal communication skills. You should have the ability to communicate clearly, concisely, and proactively. Scalable thinking. Yodo1 is growing fast. Those who think scalably advanced quickly. Now, preferred skills and attributes that you should have. Proficiency in using Google Docs and Google Sheets, which is like Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Experience working with international teams. Able to work at least 8 hours between 3 p.m. and 11 p.m. Beijing time. Okay. Background in basic mobile troubleshooting is an advantage, and passion for mobile games is a plus. So what Yodo1 Games offers, they want their contributors to grow with Yodo1 and take ownership in their shared success. So at Yodo1, you will enjoy fair pay based on qualifications. I mean, what job makes you work without pay? That's slavery, right? Or work experience. But you get paid fairly based on qualifications, experience, and fit for the role. Flexible hours and unlimited paid time off. The ability to work from anywhere. The option to be paid in your currency of choice. They didn't say if they allow cryptocurrency, but they did say just you're able to be paid in your currency of choice. An allowance to purchase devices or equipment to improve your work from anywhere setup, variable compensation through our annual bonus programs, and pre-IPO access to our employee stock option plan. If you like mobile gaming, you're into that stuff, right? Press this link. Press this blue button. The application page will open up. You will be able to apply, upload your resume, cover letters, and so on. And by the way, if you're not the best at resumes and cover letters, there are links in the description below. Links are in the description below to a website called Canva that you can click on, and Canva will give you templates. So when you hit the search field, click the search field, type in resume or cover letter or whatever you're looking for and enter, and then a whole bunch of templates will open up. You select the one that fits your purpose or the one you like, and from there you can actually modify the information. So if it says John Doe, just put Mark Evans if that's your name. And once you have everything edited how you want it, you can download the resume or cover letter or whatever document it is, and then upload it to your application. All right. So if you're into gaming, you're into working from home or the office, or working from the beach, or while traveling to your tropical getaway, you want to work from anywhere, you like gaming, this is something you can do. It's entry level. It should be fun for a lot of teenagers, high school students, college students, and so forth, who are just trying to make some extra cash. Valentine's Day is done, so you don't need to be saving to go on Valentine's Day dates, but I'm sure you have other stuff that you want to take care of. So look into it. Give it a try. Apply. It doesn't hurt. Many people apply to get the job, when applying and getting an interview is possibly building your skill set. How to do interviews, how to present yourself well, how to answer questions, and so forth. So guys, get at it, apply, check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, share, and check out the links in the description below if you are someone who likes working for somebody else, but you would much prefer starting your own business. And even if you like working for someone, you can still have your business running on the side. So check those links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.